Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to permanently delete your BandLab account step by step. First of all, you need to go to bandlab.com on your browser, or you can simply open the application. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Then you need to go to your profile. At the bottom you will see the library option. Click on that. Here talks here or click your profile. Your profile will open. Now to delete your account, again you need to go to the setting gear icon at the top right corner. Click on that. Then you will see the many options. You will see your password, set your password, another payment, security option, or you can sign up. Or to delete your account, you need to go to the accounts section, and here you will see your delete my account. Simply click on that and select a reason why would you like to delete your account, and simply click on the delete account. Once confirmed, your BandLab account and projects will be permanently deleted. So make sure to back up anything you want to keep before doing this. And that's it. That's how you delete your BandLab account. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.